Friends, in this video we are going to see most satisfying factory machine and engineers tools. These machines are very powerful and made up of unique technology. By seeing these machines and tools, you will definitely have a lot of pleasure. So let's get started. This machine is used for removing the upper rubber band from the wires. This automatic machine makes a lot of dosa in very less time. The large amount of cotton is unloaded by this vehicle. Pockets are sewed very easily on the pants by this machine. This machine does this work very fastly. The pipe can be bent by this tool very easily. This machine has a very sharp blade which is used for cutting the bundle of the clothes. The fruits and vegetables are grinded in very less time by this tool. The white lines on the road are made like this. This machine can hole into the ground in very less time. It has a very powerful motor which rotates its heavy blade. This tool is used for the removing of ice from the roof of the houses. The lane of the road is being replaced by this machine. This tool is really very useful. It is used for binding the branches of the plants. This man is removing the excess paint from the brush, and this tool is very amazing for this work. It does this work very perfectly. Here is the process of making chains. This is a big bucket with big blades, which is used for digging up the soil. The blade rotates and puts the soil into this bucket. And then this bucket is removed from here when it is fully filled by the soil. This machine is very powerful, and this cylinder is now gonna be crushed into this machine. Potato chips factory has this amazing machine. This machine is used for peeling the potatoes very fastly. The bundles of wires are made up very easily by this machine. This work is based on electromagnetic induction principle. The pipe is firstly heated up and the worker gives it a perfect shape. Now this pipe is going to be crushed into the trash. The railway tracks are removed and then collected at a place, and this machine is very useful for this work. Just like this machine is used for uprooting the railway tracks. Continuously hammering on this iron rod give it a desirable shape. Long wires are rolled up on these cylindrical cardboards. This machine is very useful for shredding the vegetables. Now this object is going to be crushed into the trash. Big rocks are converted into very small size by this machine. This man will make a desirable shape from this rod by hammering it continuously. This nut bolt is very rusted, so first of all its upper part is cut by this machine and then the whole nut bolt is uprooted by this method. Trees are being passed by this machine and this machine makes very tiny particles from these trees. The rusted metal is going to be shining now. A powerful machine is used for cutting the trees into parts. This machine is used for making empty space for nut bolts. The brush is being cleaned very perfectly. This harvesting machine is very useful. This machine can do all the work at same time. The crop is harvested and then also collected in the trucks. Many objects are painted by this machine at the same time. This machine is doing the work of many workers itself. The leveling of concrete is done by this machine. Onions are cut from the both sides by this tool. The iron chains are made up of like that. This machine can cut very much amount of crops at the same time. So friends, if you enjoyed this video, please like the video and also don't forget to subscribe our channel. Bye, take care.